This is Ogre. I had some little tchotchkes come with it. This is a 4X t-shirt. A 4X barely covers it. So you can imagine how big the box is. And that's the Ogre Blueprint t-shirt. And then here's the Kickstarter backer t-shirt. And here's a patch. Some extra dice. Some lapel pins for the factions. Dang it, where's the, oh there it is. I'm not used to this camera being backwards, or actually not used to being a camera at all. And another set of ogres and field units. And the pocket-sized ogre, which is a copy of the original 1977 ogre, and they're selling it at the 1977 price for $2.95. And on the back of it was the back of the box. And you flip it over, and there's a read me first. If you're new to Ogre, let's see here, this set includes more than 1,000 counters. Don't start by punching them all out. That way lies madness. Keep reading. That has instructions on how to build all the different ogres and all the different counters and stuff. And on the back of the package, there were these counters. A big old stack of counters. Ground units and terrain and other pieces. Let's see what's inside the box. Ogre Designer's Edition. Thank you for backing this Ogre Kickstarter project. Signed by Steve Jackson. We have the Ogre Garage. When you get all your ogres put together, popped out and put together, you store them in this garage. Then you have maps. Hex maps. Okay, that's one big map. The two halves go together. So you have a pretty decent map. And the instructions on how to play Ogre in a Ziploc bag. What is this? A little empty Ziploc bag for something. More maps. Got streets and cities and forests on it. More maps. A lot of maps. More Ziploc bags. The 2 dice that come with the game. That's why I bought extra. There's a slot for dice. let's see here, slots for everything in here. It even tells you what the slots, label, all the slots are labeled. So like dice, 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 combat howitzers, miscellaneous, GEV maps, and so forth, so forth. I'm going to put together some of the ogres and show you some more. I've put together some of the ogres. This is a Mark V ogre. As you can see, it's pretty big. And there's a Mark IV. And some Mark IIIs. The green ones are the Kickstarter editions. The Mark V has the Duck of Doom. The Duck of Doom on it. Let's see, it's got the Duck of Doom. And these are the sheets. They get popped out of these sheets and snapped together. So you can see there's a Mark V and a Mark II, an administration building, a turret, a Mark IIIB and a Mark III. So I got a lot of punching to do. I'll show you how much. Every one of those is a punch card of tokens in it. Some of them are ogres and some of them are just tokens. So here's some tokens. But they're all made out of that thick cardstock that the map's made out of. And every sheet has protective tissue protecting it. So they thought of everything when they were designing the packaging for this. And I get these two mysterious Ziploc bags. I don't know what for, because all the pockets are here for everything that I can tell. Oh well, we'll figure it out later. After a couple of hours of work, I've got my Ogre garage almost full.